If you're someone who finds it really difficult to say no, then today's video is for you. First of all, one of the first things that you need to recognize is that there is nothing wrong with you because you're saying no, because it is very human for us to want to help out other people or help the person who is asking for a help in some way. It is very human for us to want to do that. But for every yes, it'll cost us something. It'll cost us a time, money, energy, or it'll make us give something that we might not be comfortable giving at that particular stage in our life. So know that it is this no that will allow us to protect our priorities and protect our boundaries. We all have only limited time, money, and energy that we have currently in our possession, right? And it is our responsibility to make sure that we are using that for our most important priorities. And it is exactly our boundaries or our ability to say no that will help us to protect what is of most importance for us. So it's very important that we take the time to find the strength to say no when it matters and make sure that we are protecting our priorities. It's okay for us to say no. It is okay for us to say no without any explanations. And sometimes we might be able to find a middle ground which works for both of us. So sometimes it doesn't have to be a blanket no. We will be able to find a way in which we'll be able to offer something that we can offer in that particular situation that might be helpful for the other person, although we might not be able to give the whole of whatever they were asking. At this point, what you need to basically do is to try to understand why you are saying this no, what is their need, and try to see if there is another way you can help out the other person. And if there is no way that you can help them, then just allow yourself to move on without any guilt by recognizing why you said that no, what you were trying to protect in that particular situation, and why saying that no was important to you.